Okay, kiddos, so I'm going to record this and show you guys how to export and then upload your video onto the YouTube. So right up here in the top right corner, you're going to click export, and you will see that it is exporting. Once it is ready to share, you will click other. You will scroll until you can find YouTube, which on here I need to, whoops. I will need to click more, scroll to YouTube. Okay, and then I'm going to click on add details. Okay, scroll for the title. This is going to be the title of your podcast. So since this is just a informational video, I'm just going to title it Export to YouTube Tutorial. See ya, kiddos. Add description. Here will be your name. So I'm just going to type Mrs. McKee. Okay. Then you will hit that back arrow. Okay. Cancel. And then you are going to scroll down, make sure that the visibility is set to public, and then right down here, click add to playlist, okay? So if you are in my business class, you're going to click this, so this is adulting one. If you are in my JAG class, you guys will also have a playlist that shows up here where you will select yours too. If you still need to upload your Falcon News podcast, that will go onto this playlist. You simply click done, and then you click upload. It will upload it to your videos. Once it's complete, it will say see video, or you can click over here to the playlist, and let's scroll to, see videos. And there it is. So if you guys need any help, you have several classmates who know how to do this step. You can also use this video as reference, or if I am here, you can see me. See ya.